Good morning, friends. We're going to work on our letter sounds today for M and N. Now, remember, the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to put my name at the top. And then I'm going to practice my capital M and my lowercase m and my capital N and my lowercase n. I just did one of each to show you as an example. I would like for you to trace all of them. Now, let's look at our pictures. We have moon, nest, mouse, nut, necklace, money, newspaper, mailbox. Now remember, M's going to say and N's going to say n. So you really have to pay close attention. So M is like if something's yummy, really and N's going to say Okay, so again, our pictures are moon, nest, mouse, nut, necklace, money, newspaper, mailbox. I'm going to cut off my strip of pictures. And I'm going to cut out the first one. I have a picture of a moon. At the beginning of moon, I hear I'm going to glue my picture of my moon by M. Moon. Okay, friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. Again, your pictures are nest, mouse, nut, necklace, money, newspaper, mailbox. So you're going to match them to their correct beginning sounds. And then when you're all done, I want you to remember very best kindergarten coloring. Please bring this with you to our writing lesson, and I'll see you all soon.